कितना बड़ा चैलेंज है आज के इस वक्त में, नस्लों को, आने वाली नस्लों के लिए कितनी बड़ी परेशानी है। इको टूरिज्म की बात अगर हम करते हैं, इको सिस्टम की अगर हम बात करते हैं, उसमें अगर बेहतरी और लाने के लिए और एक दूसरे के साथ चलने के लिए जो ममालिक साथ देते हैं, हमारे साथ खड़े हैं, आई थिंक हमें उनको खराज तहसीन भी पेश करना है। और इसके साथ साथ मैं आखिर में ज़रूर गुजारिश करना चाहूँगी अपने तमाम तर जो मीडिया चैनल्स के जो लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, आप सबका भी बहुत शुक्रिया, क्योंकि मीडिया एक ऐसी आवाज़ है जिसके थ्रू हम तमाम तर लोगों को बता सकते हैं कि क्या चीज़ें जो है वो होने जा रही हैं। विद दिस आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट हर एक्सीलेंसी मैडम मारिलीना, इफ़ यू वांटेड टू शेयर समथिंग, please.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Madam Minister, and dear Sam Risk, representative of UNDP. This is really a source of great honor for me to be here in front of you today with a delegation both from our Agency for Cooperation Development. The director is here, Mr. Francesco Zatta, and from EVK2CNR. It's challenging to pronounce this.
I understand.
I spent some days in trying to have it, but the key word there is K2. So it's this NGO was created in the last century by Ardito Desio in 1929. Ardito Desio, you probably have heard about him because he is a great geologist, a great lover of this country, so much that it was through him that the first reaching of the K2 peak was possible by two Italian mountaineers, Lino Lacedelli and Achille Compagnoni in 1954. But today we are here to continue, in fact, his work through the colleagues from EVK2CNR and UNDP, because they really, through the investment that we've done in the project Glaciers and Students, they've produced a valuable instrument, we think, also for you, which is this inventory here of, as Madam Minister already said, over 13,000 glaciers that you have in this beautiful country. It is, in Pakistan, there is the first source of fresh water in the world after the poles. So you have really a great richness for the whole world in this beautiful country, and we are proud to have done, as Italy, a bit of our part to let you know also better what you have and what potential this country has. Of course, measuring helps us to manage climate-related risks, because, as you know, glaciers are sentinels for the risks that we all face in climate change. And so we have the aspiration through this inventory to have contributed also for the Pakistani government to be able also to plan, to better plan and mitigate in the future the risks related to climate change that are affecting your country very much, as it is affecting also Italy in many ways that are really related to each other. So we relate a lot also on the challenges you face, because we face them ourselves back home. I want just to highlight, I don't want to take much of your time, but I want just to highlight three sources of success for this project that we are so proud to have financed. First of all, it is partnership. So you see here all the partners are there, the Pakistani government, but also Pakistani local authorities, Pakistani universities, and Pakistani students who have contributed to the project very much. UNDP, without your invaluable support, this project would have not seen the light in the first place. And of course, those who have made the connection between really Italy and Pakistan, people-to-people contacts, which is EVK2CNR. I also want to add my voice in commending really a person that is not here with us today, Agostino da Polenza, but whose passion was really instrumental for this project. I also want to wish him well in his struggle back in Italy, in hospital, and to have him soon with us to promote even further the inventory. The second is evidence collection. The second source of success, evidence collection, because as I said, measuring helps us to plan better. So we hope really that this collection of data will help us all to understand better the morphological changes in glaciers, and also how these changes affect the population that are near to glaciers. The third, I've already touched upon it, is the youth, because really what makes this project a success is that EVK2CNR really worked with your students, with Pakistani students who were on the field collecting the data. It's through their day-to-day work in the field, in glaciers, measuring that this inventory was ultimately possible. So, with these words, I want just to reiterate my government and my country's commitment, first of all, to stand with our Pakistani partners. It's always a source of pride to stand together in these battles, but also our commitment to fighting climate change and its most severe consequences in the countries where they are most faced, as it is Pakistan. Thank you all.